Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Jamie and today we're going to Campbell Farm.
Yes. Campbell Farm.
Campbell Cross Farm. I hope I got that right. I've never been there. We've never been there. So it's our first time and we will take you and show you what is in the farm. Yeah, exactly. So today I am wearing this super revealing dress with this cute bag from ZARA and my cute hat. Okay guys, as you can see, we're still on the road. We're stuck in traffic and it is 1:45 in the afternoon. I wonder where they're all going. Anyways, we can check what is inside my bag. I have my sunglasses, my face mask, my cell phone, my mirror, my lip gloss. I have two lip glosses, one clear and one tint, my sanitizer, and my card holder. So cute guys, look, it's matching. Guys, we're almost there. Wow, look at that house. It's huge. Just look at that. It's beautiful. Away from the city. These houses are big. How many more minutes? Over here. Oh, there's a lot of people. Okay guys, so we just paid our entrance fee. It's $30, $15 each. And this is what it looks like from the parking lot. I took off my mask, but I should wear it. And that's my hat. Okay guys, so we're here. Look at all these sunflowers. Okay guys, so I am in the middle of the fields right now and I'm surrounded by all these sunflowers. It's so pretty. Some of them are actually my height and some of them are really tall, if you guys could see. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, I forgot to mention, if you guys are going to Campbell Cross Farm, don't forget to wear sunblock or bring extra because I forgot to wear sunblock and I am burning. I can feel the heat all over my shoulders, my back, and yeah, I can just totally feel my skin burning. But it's beautiful, so it's worth it. You guys look, surrounded by all these sunflowers. They're so pretty. like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!
Jay, are you tired?
So tired. Because you said my back is burning.
Yeah, I forgot to put
Sunblock.
sunblock.
That's okay, because
Let's go home. I need to play Warzone.
no, there's a lot of sunflowers to see. There's more.
We've seen enough.
No.
Yeah.